Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing both my hands. That's something I haven't done here before, but I'm gonna start off with my tiny sanding band, and I'm just gonna remove the excess that I have because I did my nails a few days ago. I shouldn't have to do too much nail prep, but I do have some excess from the nails that I had previous on. Alright, now I'm gonna wipe them down with some alcohol. Alright, nail prep is done. Now I'm gonna be gluing on my nail tips. I already sized them out. And I'm using these stiletto nails that I got off of Amazon today. And I'm gonna be using my KDS nail glue. Alright, all the nail tips are on. Now I'm gonna be cutting them down a little bit. I glued this on crooked and this one, but that's okay. I'm gonna fix it with some shaping. Alright, I got my tip cutter and the magnets. I'm gonna be using 5 magnets today. And I'm gonna be cutting down the nails. Alright, and now I'm just gonna cut the sides a little bit. I wanna go for a round shape today. Alright, and with my hand file, I'm just gonna perfect the shape. Alright, once I have the shape that I like, I'm gonna remove the shine from my nails, like from the tip. Okay, I think that's good enough. And I will be doing this to the rest of the nails and I'll be back. Alright, all the nails have been shaped and filed. Now I'm gonna apply some nail dehydrator. I'm gonna be using my nail dehydrator from Mia Secret. I really like this nail dehydrator from Mia Secret. I mentioned it already, but I feel like this is the best one that you can get from Amazon. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this primer and dehydrator. And the primer, I am usually not applying primer or dehydrator because I'm changing my nail sets so often, and I usually don't do 2 hands, but I'm going on vacation and I want my nails to look nice, and we're gonna do a family photo shoot, so it's one more reason why I want these nails to last and look good. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this step if you want your nails to last. You could wipe them down with some alcohol or acetone, but sometimes it's not enough to get rid of the natural oils on your skin. Alright, and now I'm gonna be applying a base coat. And you guys, I apologize. I just moved and I have not set up my nail room yet. I'm waiting for my desk to arrive, and it's taking 2 weeks to get shipped here. And I'm using my child's desk and it's not sturdy at all, so the table is shaking a lot, and you might see that. So I'm sorry if my hands are moving too much. I'm trying my best to keep my hands off from the desk so it's not shaking as much, but it's really hard not to because I need my hands to rest somewhere. But yeah, I'm just applying some base coat to my natural nail. I'm not gonna be applying base coat everywhere, just to save some time, and I'm gonna be curing this for 30 seconds. All right, let's start the application. I'm going to be using my Macart Polygel in the color VIP. And I'm just going to apply some to my nail. I'm going to be working with 2 beads today. As for my slip solution, I'm using 91% alcohol. And that's usually what I always use. Works just fine. So since I just moved, I'm going to be organizing all my nail stuff again. Let me know if you guys want to have like a video on maybe like how I'm organizing my nail stuff and maybe like a little ASMR video. I don't know. If you guys like that, let me know, because I was seeing videos about stuff like that, and for me it's like always really relaxing watching them. So, and now I would have a chance to do that. I want to keep like this big chunk right there because this is gonna build my apex. So without dragging too much, I'm just gonna try to pat the polygel to the front without really touching this area. I do have like a lot of polygel and I don't need my apex to be too high, so I'm just dragging some away. Okay, once I smoothed everything out and I like the placement, I'm just gonna take off the excess. All right, once I like how the polygel is, I will be curing. All right, and now I'm just gonna be doing the same to the rest of the nails. So I changed my polygel to the French press because the other one was just so sticky. I was like having a lot of trouble molding and patting the polygel. Yeah, I don't know if it was my room that was just too warm and it got all sticky, but yeah, this works way better. And I'm now doing my second hand and I'm just gonna do the same as I did before. I'm just gonna do 1 bead first and then apply the second one. Alright, all the polygel is laid and now let's start reshaping the nails. Alright. Alright, here are the nails after they've been shaped, filed, and buffed. And now let's get into the design. I'm gonna do a test nail first to see if I'm gonna like the design. I'm going for like a blue nail today. I want to do like an aura effect. And you guys, I apologize. My husband is like watching TV and it's kind of loud. But yeah, I want to do like an aura nail. I thought it would go good with the vacation vibes. And also, like I mentioned, we're gonna do family vacation picture. And my dress is blue. Yeah, I'm painting this nail blue now. Right now I'm gonna make some blue. Make it a little bit lighter with some white. All right, now I'm gonna take a sponge. I cut it in half. Gonna dip it in here. Just like tap it. All right, I had to change the color because it was too light and the aura effect wasn't showing through. But I changed it to a darker color and I put some white over it, so I kind of like it. And I'm just gonna be doing this to the rest of the nails. And I use this color from Beetles. All right, all the colors on, and this is what I have been doing. I've been putting down some white on my sponge. And then with the same blue that I painted the nails, I'm just gonna go over lightly with it, like so. And then I'm just gonna dab it on the nail and kind of like blend it in, spread it out to make it this aura effect. Trying to keep the white in the middle. And I'm just gonna be doing this to all of the nails. I think I need to like get an airbrush and see how things go with an airbrush because I don't have one. Alright, like so, and I will be curing. Alright, I decided to add some flowers. I didn't feel like drawing them on, and I'm gonna apply another one. Alright, now I'm gonna apply some top coat. Now I'm gonna apply some cuticle oil. Alright, and here are the finished nails. I love how the aura effect came out. I think I did a pretty good job this time. I don't know if you guys saw the video where I tried some the first time, and I don't think it turned out that good, but this time I think it's coming out really good. I like the little flowers. I'm really glad I added these. But yeah, it's so weird seeing my both hands done since I'm usually not doing that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!